Another day of shorts for kids in school.
Yeah, it's going to be a warm one this afternoon, topping out in the low 90s again here in Albuquerque. We're starting to lose some of that monsoonal moisture, and when that happens, the temperatures go up, unfortunately, but we'll see a little bit of relief from the heat, a little bit for the weekend. Here's a look at Ruidoso. Hope you're having a great start down that way this morning. A little bit of cloud cover down your way, but overall, you're going to see a lot of sunshine, and it is going to be a beautiful day. Storm chances staying very slim in this area as high pressure continues to move in and control the weather out over eastern New Mexico. It's actually centered back to our east, right? Getting close to Texas here, and it's going to be spinning clockwise here, and so that's why you're seeing these showers that are back to our west, drifting up to the north. This high pressure, though, on the strong side, and even with some moisture around, we're having a hard time getting those storms going across central New Mexico just because of how strong the system is. It really puts a lid on things, and it prevents a lot of the storms from popping up. But as it continues to head out to the east, that's going to allow more moisture moving in from the south during monsoon season. We like it to be centered over Texas because that means we get to draw in that moisture from the Pacific, and at times even getting in some of the moisture from the Gulf too to help get those storms going in the afternoon. So it's been kind of keeping kibosh on things as far as storms go for the past few days, but as it moves east over the weekend, things are going to change for us. But the only problem is this is a little bit stronger than what we've been seeing, and so it's going to deflect a lot of systems from moving in here that could really bring in a ton of rain. So just like that tropical disturbance out in the Pacific, that and a couple of other level systems, those are going to stay mainly out over Arizona. So Arizona is going to get a lot wetter as we go into the weekend. We are going to see some of that moisture moving into western New Mexico, which will help things out here, and that'll mean more widespread activity for Saturday and Sunday. Today and tomorrow more of the dry days. Saturday and Sunday is when we start to see wetter weather return, but by far and away most of the activity is going to be across the western high terrain and in the mountains there. Northern mountains also we'll see things start to flare up, especially for the weekend. As for Albuquerque, we are going to start to get a little more moisture moving in, so that's going to up our rain chances for the weekend too, but still, again, that high pressure area is going to be so strong that it could limit how many storms that we do see. And then you get farther east and the drier it gets, but at least in southeast New Mexico there will be a chance for a few storms as we start to get a little bit more moisture moving in and we start to see the high move a little bit away from us. As far as your forecast goes for southern Colorado, this is going to be one of the wetter spots for today. We'll see scattered thunderstorms once again for the San Juans and again into our northern mountains. Highs in the low to mid 80s today, low 80s tomorrow, and then we're back to the upper 70s for the weekend with scattered thunderstorms Sunday and into Monday. Northwest New Mexico, a few storms are certainly possible for today, but it looks wetter for you Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as we tap into some more moisture. Southwest New Mexico, basically the same thing here. A lot of the moisture kind of getting shunted out over eastern Arizona, but enough that we may see a stray storm or two, but that moisture does move into your area for the weekend, and that will ramp up the rain chances then. Southeast New Mexico, we'll try to get a little moisture in here. We're going to have a tough time though still getting any storms going, but with that potential we'll keep storms in the forecast for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, at least a slight chance anyway. Northeast New Mexico, a few storms are possible today, not looking the best for today or tomorrow, looking a little better over the weekend. And for the northern mountains, more storms around this afternoon, and then we'll see an uptick in activity for the weekend. Santa Fe, we'll see chances for rain go up for you too over the weekend, though can't rule out a stray storm there today. East Mountains, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Storm chances extremely slim, and for the metro, no storms to talk about here. Just warm temperatures, highs in the upper 80s with a few clouds around. Tomorrow, chances for rain will be very slight, and then for the weekend, those rain chances go up a bit. Highs will be in the mid 80s too, so a little bit of a break from some of the heat. Instead of talking 90s, we'll be back to the mid 80s, so that looks better.
Great time to get out. Just keep an eye to the sky.
Right.
Thank you, Kristen.